Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Data Saver in the TikTok app so you can use less mobile data. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and search for the TikTok app. Make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version so you don't face any issues. Once your app is updated, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Then tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Here, scroll down until you find the Data Saver option. Simply tap on Data Saver and turn it on. Now your TikTok app will use less data while browsing videos. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, see you soon in another video.